we have Dock Hills across the South Yorkshire Jazz trains. No Hills is down for nothing. You're so loud. Try not to cause a weak hangman. Oh god, look at that. That's really cool. Anyways, I finally got open time trains. Time now is 09:25 on Saturday the 3rd of March 2018. Right, it hits the signal at DY going to that, well, coming from Bentley to this one. So it's 5 Golf 01. Let's just find out and see if, where is it now? It's fast. I'm currently just passing. It's just it's not far away from Addick. I don't know what the it's a Virgin train East Coast, I believe, this one. A green signal, so I still don't know what Mount Hills is down for. It's probably just playing up. I had a look, there's no due till 48, so unless Mount Hills is going to stay till 48 for a train, fair enough. But just warning you that, let's just say that truck driver over there is not going to be exactly happy with you. Let's see if there's any, there's no, oh, what have I just done? No, I've accidentally. Right, 5 Golf 01 has just passed Addick. So it's going to be coming towards Bentley soon. It's quite fast actually, because it was at Southampton about 2 minutes ago. It obviously didn't stop at Southampton. It's obviously the Virgin train to, and I'm not quite too sure where it's to. I need to get myself a bit more sorted about this, because otherwise it's not exactly going to be a good video. Oh, no, done it wrong. Okay. Red signal at the moment, so 1112 5 Golf 01 is just going near Addick right now. It's just changed. From my eyes, I can't see anything, but it's obviously near Bentley, and it will hit Bentley. You can see. It's a shame this Samsung Galaxy S4's crap. It's not an ideal phone. Oh, here we go. This must be the Northern to Leeds. Oh, there's the other train. That was on the. Oh, what has happened? Ah, 1589 escape. 1589 away. I need to focus it on something. 2 Bravo 10 is on its way. Oh crap! It's not focusing. Right, the 5 Golf 41, which is the train that we've literally just been talking about. There we go, now it's finally focusing. Sorry about that. 2 Bravo 10 that were to Leeds, I believe, anyways. Unexpected Hull train. It must be heavily delayed. It must be. 180. Let me see if I can get the code. Still staying. Oh no, we're not. 180 111, I believe that were. I might be wrong, but you never know, I might just be right. Mount Hills was down for an unexpected train. It didn't say on the. This barrier looks stiff. 5 Golf 41 is almost at its destination. Oh, we've got to get that iPhone 6, I tell you. Better than this iPhone 4S. One Victor 50 is coming in soon. And why is it kind of annoying me? It's making all the rattling sound and it's annoying. 1 Victor 50. Mount Hills is never going back down. Oh my god, it is as well. 1 Alpha 19 at Wakefield Westgate at the moment. 322481. 322481, my stalker train again. I love to see the good 322481 again. To Donny. There's nobody even on the train, look. 322481 to Doncaster with well and truly nobody on it. It must obviously not be, obviously didn't stop at Bentley then. Can't have. No one on it.